Hey guys, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we'll be doing a different type of video. Today, I'll be doing an unboxing. If you guys don't know, Lazada went on sale last September 9. And it's actually called, I think, a 9.9. I went kind of crazy and I bought a TV. Hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. I bought this yesterday, ng madaling araw. And I can't believe it na September 10, the day after I bought it, nakuha ko na yung package. Which is mind-blowing for me kasi I live in the province. And it's here. Thumbs up for that. I bought the Ace Smart TV 32-inch. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks like. So, I don't know how I'm gonna fit this in my camera, but I like something like this. And I hope it's good. I haven't tried Ace before. I've never heard of it, but one of my officers in where I work, I heard they bought this last year and it's still working, so I guess that's good. Let's go and move on with the unboxing. And ngayon ko lang nalaman na it's exclusive on Lazada. So that's cool. I hope I got the gold one. I'm not sure. But it looks like that so far. And it's safe right here. So we're gonna open this. Oops, wait. I'm doing it backwards. This is the front one. Haha! Let's turn this around. Okay, now we're good. This is the front part. And I think you guys, this looks like a huge stapler wire. Cool. And it has another one right there. So I'm gonna try and pry that out so that we can get this baby out. But yeah, this is the progress. Okay, so I just took this off and I have the stands right here, so I'm happy that I got the gold one. Ta-da! So this is what it comes with. It has a remote, some batteries, the manual right here, and the stands. I don't see the screws. Oh wait, never mind. It's there. Yep, stainless plug, you guys. Let's check this out. That basically ends the unboxing. So first impressions on the smart TV. If I would rate it 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I would give it like around 8.5. I've used it for I think about almost an hour. So far, so good. The quality on the TV, definitely HD siya. It's not as sharp as what you expect mga higher ends the TV. One thing that I like about it as well is feeling ko parang may mini AVR siya. I've noticed na after turning it off, yung red light niya sa baba, I think nakailaw pa rin siya up to, I'd say, around 30 seconds before it turns off completely. Parang time delay. I've noticed as well, dahil siguro nasa second floor ako, and yung router namin nasa baba, medyo mahina yung Wi-Fi connection. Nade-detect niya pa din. Pero if I use YouTube, hindi na siya maglo-load. It would say na offline ako or there is no internet connection. But when I check the settings, connected siya dun sa Wi-Fi namin. So what I did, I moved the TV kung saan talaga siya sa table, with 3 to 4 meters away from me. And then, yun, nadedetect niya. For the price, it's really worth it. Kasi, bili ko lang siya for 5,998 pesos. Another thing to consider pala is the fluidity. Yung transition, or if magta-type ka, yung cursor, it's a bit slow. But I feel like you can use a mouse to navigate it easier. Of course, for the price that you're paying. Syempre may setbacks na ganun. Pero para sa akin, it's not a big deal. Oh, also, medyo na-bother lang ako is nung nilalagay ko yung stand ng TV. Well, I am using a smaller screwdriver. Yung problema ko lang is yung hole that is meant for the stand and the stand itself, hindi nagmamatch masyado yung butas nila. So I had a struggle. The color of the TV, it's really elegant. But yeah, so far, I also like how madami kang choices. Madami siyang mga saksakan sa likod. If you are looking for a smart TV that is affordable, I highly suggest you guys check this one out. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you have this smart TV. Yeah, and if may na-try pa kayo ibang brands na smart TV na maganda, let me know. Cause thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys did. And comment down below on video requests you guys want to see next. Meron pa akong isang package na darating from Lazada. It's actually like a Diva ring light something, so I might do an unboxing with it. And for additional info dito sa nireview nating smart TV, just check out the description down below. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell button down below to be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you so much. Bye! I have this whole makeup look just to film this unboxing. You know, may times na you feel like wearing full-on makeup even though you don't really need to. You just feel like being a little bit extra today.